Welcome to our exploration of the booming world of AI art print on demand. In 2025, this innovative market is gaining tremendous popularity. Let's start with Midjourney. Key features include customizable prompts and a unique style matching tool that makes it easy to create stunning designs. Next up is DALL-E, known for its advanced image generation technology and a vast database of styles and subjects, making it a strong contender. Now, let's compare image quality. Midjourney's outputs are often more artistic, while DALL-E focuses on realism and versatility. When it comes to ease of use, Midjourney has a steep learning curve, whereas DALL-E is generally more user-friendly, especially for beginners. Understanding the cost is crucial. Midjourney operates on a subscription model while DALL-E offers credits for individual use. Let's evaluate market demand. The trend for AI-generated art sales has seen exponential growth, making this an ideal time to jump in. Here are case studies of successful entrepreneurs who effectively used Midjourney and DALL-E to boost their print-on-demand business. Integrating AI art into your print-on-demand business involves leveraging social media and e-commerce platforms effectively. In conclusion, choosing between Midjourney and DALL-E depends on your artistic vision and business goals. Make a choice that aligns with your creativity.